Good afternoon, students. So today let's discuss about a case study problem in the area of robotics. Okay? So robotics, how the robots can be helpful for the old people for having medicines. So usually, like old people will generally forget to take medicines in that time. They don't know the color of the medicines. They don't know the prices of the medicines. They don't know to intake the medicines in the proper time. So for that we have to give an assistant in the form of a robot. Okay. So now robots playing a vital role in the field of artificial intelligence. So robotics is it is a vast area. It is a very important concept. So through the robot, how can we help the old people? So this is purely a real life case study. Okay. So how in this case study, this problem we are helping the old people. Okay. So for this problem, we have to give the solution in the form of design thinking. So as you all aware about the design thinking, like we have 5 stages, right? So empathize, define, prototype, and test. So all these, we have to come across all these phases. So we have to provide solutions in the means of design thinking, right? So this is the problem. We understand about the problem. So who is going to tell about the empathy?
Empathize, understand the people, talk to the older patients and their family members. Family found a problem like can't take small labels, forgot medicine timing, some are scared of side effects, may don't use smartphones.
Okay. So what she is telling is that in empathize stage, we have to even old people we have to assist them in taking medicines now. First we have to speak with them. Okay. So what kind of disease they have been affected, what kind of hospitals they are approached, what kind of medicines they are using, all we have to take a survey. Generally we have to go and have a discussion directly with them, or else we can take a survey also. That is for some older citizens will have smartphones at all and many will not have. Okay. So we can prefer both the ways. We can go and take a direct survey with them by asking them questions and different discussions, or else we can go for the online survey also. So this is how we are collecting the information, that is empathizing from them. Okay. From them, what are all the information, as she said, what are all the information we have collected means they don't know, though the labels in the medicines are very smaller, they are generally old, they will have poor insights only, so they can't able to do that small fonts in the label. That is one of the problem. Another thing, they don't know the proper ratio of taking the medicines. For instance, for morning they have to take 4 tablets or 5 tablets means they don't know to take the proper medicines, because many many medicines will look like alike. They have the same color, they will have same shapes and all, and they will be very confused. Like what she told us, these kinds of problems they are facing, and this is one of the thing we can able to collect the information. Another one is we can go and talk with their family members or caretakers. Now many old age homes and all, caretakers are only taking care of the old age people. So we can go and have a conversation with the caretakers. So what kind of diseases they have been affected and what kind of medicines they are taking. Likewise, we can collect the information. This is what we are empathizing. So what is the next one? Define. So who's define?
Define. Old people often forget to take medicines on time, and they don't know what they are suffering from, and they try to take another medicines by buying something, and they often forget the prices, and they don't know the prices,
and they will miss the medicines for having in the proper time. So what she is telling is that empathizing, what she told is she has came with different information collecting from the caretakers and from the very old age people. Now what you are saying is that you have defined a problem, right? They are yes. So actually what she is telling is that they are forgetting to take the medicines in time, and though they don't have any aware about the prices, they don't know the prices, they will purchase. That is for generally the human will think if it is costly means we will not buy, right? So the same medicine they will go and prefer in some other pharmacy for cheaper price, but they are not sure that medicine is the exact medicine for them. That are you are doing, right?
they may
Buy some other medicines, duplicate product. So it will cause side effects also. So that should be noted very cautiously, that nowadays many allopathic medicines are causing many side effects, so we should be very aware of that, right? So next, define idea, right?
Some ideas are there, ma'am. Like pill box with the morning, afternoon, night colors.
Okay.
They
It is easy to identify.
easy to identify.
Okay.
And small packets, sachets,
Sachets,
or
okay.
tablets need for one time, ma'am. And the SMS or phone calls
Alert.
reminder like this.
So it is a very wonderful idea. What she gave is that she came with the 3 ideas. One is the pill box, like we can segregate different pill box, and that we can put the pills they are supposed to take. For instance, they want to take a morning medicine 4 tablets, means we can take the 4 tablets and put it in a separate pill box, and we can write there, right, like as a morning we can keep, so that they can they will identify whether it is morning. We can even write it in the, if they are not educated, we can write it in the Tamil font also, so that they can take that and have it in the proper time. Another one is sachet. So sachet means instead of box we can have sachet packets. Okay, for that sealed sachet packets means we can put the pills there, and above the sachet packets also we can able to write the sessions, whether it is a morning or mid noon or late night or not, and we can also even specify the ratio. Another one is reminders. Yes, for instance, third one what she told is that we can give the SMS alert or reminders for the old age people. For instance, nowadays everybody are having phones, at least button phones they are having. So we can give the alarm messages, or even we can call for them in the correct time to give the reminders, so that they will not skip. So this was a wonderful idea. So how can we test?
And there are various.
What is your how do we prototype this?
There are small models that map. Three models map. Medicine sachet, color coded tray, SMS reminder system. Medicine sachet method. Each packet labeled the morning, afternoon, night. Color coded tray வந்து red for morning, yellow for afternoon, blue for night. SMS reminder system வந்து message or calls. Call goes to the patient phones at medication end.
Okay, what she is telling is that they both are right. They are doing the same thing, that instead of pill box, she is telling we can keep the color coded box. So this was a very good thing, because people do not like instead of studying, if they know the color means it will be very useful. We can segregate the 3 sessions into 3 different colors. For morning, if we educate them, we have to take a red color box and eat the tablets which is in the red color box, means that will be strike out in their brains. And for noon, if we are preferring blue color, means we have to educate them in the noon we have to take the blue color box alone, and we have to take the medicines. And in evening, if we are preferring or green or yellow color something, means we have to educate them previously, like we have to take the particular box and we have to take. And above that box we have to, like we can also elaborate the medicines also, so that it will be very useful. So this was a wonderful idea. So how can we test?
And there are various types of solution. So the first one, we can give the medicine sachet each week. Then the second one, we can use color trays for simple cases. For third one, we can send SMS or call reminders for those with phones. Then at last one, the local health workers can visit once to check.
Okay, so what she tells is that we can test like how the last one is very like we can give more attention on that. Local workers who belongs to the clinic, they can visit the old age home or else their that person's home individually, and they can check whether they have been taken proper medicines or not. Like this they can check. Okay, so on the whole you all understand the problem, right? Robots are trained previously to have a medicine, to help the old age people to have the medicines in the proper time. They do not skip. So this is how the solution we are providing to the same thing. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.